Ano ba yan? Wala na ba talaga mag-stay? Lahat na lang ba iiwan ako? Lahat na lang ba maghihiwalay?
Hoy friend, huwag ka na magdrama dyan. Hindi lang naman kayo naghihiwalay eh. Tumingin ka kaya sa paligid mo. Tingnan mo yung couple na yon. Nakikita mo yung babae.
Tingnan mo yung ginagawa niya sa clock.
Ang dugyot, di ba? Alam mo ba kung anong tawag doon? That's what you called hand-picking. Hand-picking method is separation by just picking the components of the mixture with the help of the hand.
Oh, eto, may papanood ako sa ng video para malaman mo na hindi lang kayo ang naghihiwalay. Oh,
Mixtures are everywhere, but most commonly, we can find them in our very own homes. Most things that we eat, use, and drink are mixtures, but there are times when we need to separate the components of said mixtures. And this is done through separation techniques, where we take the fundamental components of a mixture and disentangle them. Here are some separation techniques commonly done in our homes. In a solution of oil and vinegar, oil will flow to the top because of its low density. To separate them, you just need to pour out the oil. This is called decantation. Decantation is the separation by allowing the solids or liquid of higher density to settle to the bottom of the mixture and pouring the liquid out. When cooking or baking, the flour needs to go through a sieve to ensure that only the finest particles will remain. That's what you call sieving. Sieving uses a porous material to separate particles of different sizes. To accelerate filtration, pressure is usually applied. After the sieving process, the fine flour particles will pass through and the large particles will remain on the sieve. In used cooking oil, there are sediments left from the cooking. To remove them, the used cooking oil will be put through a porous cloth to separate the sediments from the oil. This process is called filtration. Filtration separates solids and liquids. A porous barrier is used to separate the solid from the liquid. The liquid filtered is called the filtrate, and the sediments that were made is called the residue. These are just some of the examples of separation techniques. There are still others like milk decantation, evaporation, sifting, distillation by different boiling points, and centrifuging using rotational force. But no matter the separation technique is, this still reminds us that separation is not always a bad thing.
Ano, hindi lang pala kami naghihiwalay. Sana sa susunod, parang chemistry na rin ang relasyon namin. At ako, ang element. Para mahirap paghiwalayin. Sige, ma'am.
Naniniwala na ako sa forever magmula nung nakilala kita.
Eh kaya nga di ako sumurrender, ano man ang sinasabi nila.